How do I back up my iPhone to a specific folder on my computer?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to back up your iPhone to a specific folder on your computer. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your iPhone's data in case anything goes wrong or if you want to transfer your data to a new device. So, let's get started.
Connecting your iPhone to your computer.
The first step is to connect your iPhone to your computer using the USB cable that came with your device. Make sure your computer is turned on and unlocked.
Trusting your computer.
Once you've connected your iPhone to your computer, you may need to trust your computer if it's the first time you're connecting the two devices. Your iPhone will display a prompt asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust to proceed.
Launching iTunes or Finder.
Depending on your computer's operating system, you'll need to either launch iTunes or Finder to perform the backup. If you're using a Mac running macOS Catalina 10.15 or later, launch Finder. If you're using a Mac running macOS Mojave 10.14 or earlier or a Windows PC, launch iTunes.
Selecting your iPhone.
In iTunes or Finder, you'll see your iPhone listed under the Devices section. Click on your iPhone to select it.
Choosing backup options.
Now, let's choose the backup options. In the main window of iTunes or Finder, you'll see a summary tab for your iPhone. Click on it. In this tab, you'll find the backup section. You have two options, iCloud and this computer. Make sure you select this computer to back up your iPhone to your computer.
Selecting backup location.
To back up your iPhone to a specific folder on your computer, you'll need to change the backup location. By default, iTunes and Finder save backups to a default folder. For iTunes users, click on the Change button next to the backup location and choose the desired folder on your computer. For Finder users, click on the Manage Backups button and you'll be taken to the backup folder. From there, you can copy and paste the backups to the specific folder you want. Remember to select a folder where you have sufficient disk space to accommodate the backup.
Initiating the backup.
After selecting the backup location, you're now ready to initiate the backup. In iTunes or Finder, click on the Backup Now button to start the backup process.
Verifying the backup.
Once the backup process is complete, you can verify the backup. In iTunes or Finder, you can see the date and time of the last backup under the Latest Backup section. Additionally, you can check the backup files in the folder you selected earlier. Make sure the backup files are present and up to date. That's it. You've successfully backed up your iPhone to a specific folder on your computer. Remember to regularly back up your iPhone to ensure your data is safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.